Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Main Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see a tawa grilled chicken and lettuce salad. Let's see the ingredients required. 100 grams skinless, boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. Lola Bionda, this is a kind of lettuce. Chinese kale, a small bunch, grown hydroponically. A tablespoon of salad oil, salt to taste, 2 to 3 black olives sliced, 3-4 pistachios, balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, pepper powder. 1 hard-boiled egg, we'll cut it into 4. To know how to boil an egg perfectly, a hard-boiled egg, click on the link above. Now let's just remove the stems and tear the leaves of the Chinese kale. We'll be using only the leaves of this bunch. This is a kind of lettuce. We'll be using only the leaves, so we'll remove the thick stem at the bottom of the lettuce and we'll just tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Let's marinate the chicken pieces. We'll add just a quarter spoon of salt, another quarter spoon of pepper powder and a little oil, and bring them all together. We'll allow this to rest for about 10 minutes and then we will tawa fry them. The chicken has rested for 15 minutes. Now let's light the gas and tawa fry the pieces. The tawa is hot. Now let's gently transfer the pieces onto the hot tawa. About 2 minutes on one side and 1.5 to 2 minutes on the other side. You can see the chicken colors changing to white and it's dancing a little, so maybe in another 30 seconds we'll just flip the pieces. Drizzle a little oil on the pieces. It's been 2 minutes. We need a nice light golden brown. Let's flip the piece. Oh wow, lovely. It's cooked pretty well on this side. Another minute or minute and a half. They cooked really well. Now let's remove them from the hot tawa, otherwise they'll dry out. We want them nice and succulent. Let's transfer them to a small bowl. So the chicken is ready, the egg is ready. Now let's make the salad dressing. To a small mixing bowl, we'll first add the salad oil, the balsamic vinegar and the lemon juice. Let's emulsify these 3 ingredients by stirring with a fork. Now we'll add a pinch of salt and pepper powder. Let's whip it up once again. Now it's time to assemble the salad. Before that, let's cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Oh wow, it's cooked so well. Now let's assemble the salad. Take a nice large helping of lettuce leaves, add the kale leaves and now the sliced olives, black olives, the shredded grilled chicken, and now let us pour the dressing over the assembled ingredients. Now let's gently toss the ingredients. You need to blend them all well, very, very gentle, so that all the ingredients get mixed. Oh, looks so delicious. Now let's place the boiled egg pieces strategically. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the boiled egg as well. To give a finishing touch, let's grate some pistachios. For vegetarians, it looks very tempting, I know. Just delete the grilled chicken pieces. If you don't mind the egg, retain the egg. You can add similarly grilled either tofu or paneer pieces or even sliced mushroom pieces. You could even add baby carrots glazed and sauteed like we grilled the chicken pieces. You can add even broccoli, but it's again green. It's okay, it's nutritious, that's what counts. Whatever vegetables you think like even a little of cauliflower, grill it and tawa grill it and add it. It's a wonderful, wonderful salad to have. At this point, I'd like to mention fresh greens are hydroponically grown, pesticide free. I must thank Sri Ram Gopal of Future Farms for being so generous and giving a large basket full of mixed greens. You can place your orders for any of these greens with meanman.com. Oh my God, this looks real refreshing. The greens are awesome. It's a meal by itself, I would say. You could add more crunch to it. You could throw walnuts in it. You could throw croutons in it. And for the dressing, if you have all these available at home, go ahead and use it. Otherwise, the simplest of dressings is just your vinegar, salt, pepper and oil. If you have salad oil, well and good. If you have olive oil, that's also fine. Or we have no choice, use the oil at home. But if you're somebody who makes these salads frequently, I suggest you get yourself a bottle which can be used over a long period of time. Add some nice grated cheese and tempt your kids to having something as healthy as this and enjoy. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meanman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meanman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.